Well,
Yep.
need another rod or you're...
No, we got it all the way in. I can feel the elbow in there.
Have you ever taped a bag underneath that?
You can.
Something with like a basketball rim on it?
You can. I usually just pick it up by hand. Water will wash the rest of it away.
Our last run right here.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we'll come up.
Run it through there again. Run it up there again. Get it all the way in. See, the thing I like about what's nice is do it in one shot.
You go all the way back and all the way front?
Yep. That, my friends, is dryer vent cleaning. Look at the pile.
Did you get a picture of that?
Yeah.
Yes, that's it.